Hi! In this video I'll show you how to create a subscription form and integrate it with AWeber by using our AWeber add-on. So let's begin. First of all, we need to create our form as we always do. We must go to the form builder and click on the Create Form button. For this example, I'll name my form Join My Newsletter, and I'll add 3 fields: a text field, an email field, and a number field, and the Submit button, of course. The text field will be for a subscriber name, the email field for his email address, and the number field for his age. Now, don't forget to put a nice message to your form. How about get daily updates with our newsletter? Subscribe now. And also, don't forget to name your form. It may seem unnecessary, but trust me, after you create a couple of dozen of forms, you'll thank for having them well named. So we'll name this form Newsletter Subscription Form. Now click on Save Form, and done. We have our subscription form ready to publish. So let's go back to the Form Manager. Okay, before installing our AWeber add-on, I found easier to create first our list on AWeber, so we'll integrate everything later at one blow. For that, let's go to aweber.com and log in. Then click on Manage List, and of course on Create a List. Then fill your information and click on Next Step. Now we need to describe our list. We'll name it Easy Form Newsletter and give it a little description like best form builder ever. Then click on Next Step. Finally, approve our confirmation message and create a list by clicking here. Now, as you should know, our form will have 2 fields by default, name and email, but we want to integrate one more field. The third one we have created on our Easy Forms form. Remember? Yes, age. So we need to go to List Options and Custom Fields and add it. Let's put here age. Check this. Add. And finally, save. So now we also have our AWeber list ready to integrate. Now, let's go back to Easy Forms and finish the integration. First, and if you haven't, you have to install the AWeber add-on. With our administrator account, go to the Add-on Manager, select AWeber, and in Bulk Actions, click on Install. Ready. Now let's create the integration of our first form with AWeber. Click on AWeber, and then on the Create Sign Up Form button. As you can see, the form requires 2 keys, the consumer key and the consumer secret. To get this information, we must create an account on the AWeber API website. The link is right here. Now, on the AWeber API website, click on Free Developer Account. Fill your information and create your account. Of course, I already have one, so I just need to log in and create a private app by clicking on Create a New App. We'll name it Easy Forms Newsletter App. Give it a brief description. Fill the rest of fields and click on Create New App. Immediately, you'll see the consumer key and consumer secret. And yes, you could copy and paste it on Easy Forms right now. But first, let's set the application permissions by clicking here and here. For that, check the Request Subscriber Data checkbox and save, and save again. Okay, now we're ready to copy the consumer key and consumer secret on Easy Forms to create the sign-up form. Now click on Connect to AWeber. Remember, you want to store your subscriber information on AWeber, so that's why you first need to grant it access, and for that, you must enter your AWeber login name and password. Then click on the Allow Access button. And ready. We'll return to the Create Sign Up Form page, where we will be able to see all the fields that will allow us to configure the integration. So let's integrate the form field with the AWeber list field. On the form field, we must select the form we have created at the beginning, our newsletter subscription form. Next to it, we'll find the list ID field that will show us the list we have created on AWeber, from which we must select the one we need. In this case, Easy Forms Newsletter. Of course, now we have to enable the integration by clicking on Status. And if we want to use geolocation, we can also enable the subscriber IP address. Finally, we can use this great plugin, the opt-in condition. A very useful tool when you want to add this integration in a form with a different purpose. For example, if you create a sale form, and at the end you add a checkbox field that says, I want to get offers by mail. So only if the user marks this checkbox, he will be subscribed in AWeber. Pretty cool, right? So we're almost finishing. As you can see, the application automatically recognizes and shows the form fields that we have created in AWeber, which in this case are email, name, and age, so we can integrate our form fields with the fields on the AWeber list. And last but not least, we can also set some useful information for managing subscribers in AWeber. For example, you can add a tag like test or a note like tester, so we'll be able to classify your data a lot better. And yes, this additional information will be attached to your subscriber information in AWeber. Now we just have to click the Save button. And here it is, our first integration. Ready to try it? For that, let's go to Form Manager, Publish and Share, Share Form Link, and go. Enter a test name, an email, age, and click Submit. So if you go to the AWeber account, under Subscribers, you will see that I have a new subscriber with all the information I need to start my email marketing campaign. Awesome! So now it's your turn to try it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, contact us. We will be more than happy to help you. Bye!